real-time display of 13 parameters. H6 coffee machine automatically detects and identifies the coffee capsule, adjusting various parameters accordingly to brew the perfect cup of coffee. Support adding water to water tanks, bottled water, and water purifiers. The steam drainage technology effectively removes any residual water. At the same time, it automatically activates the electric valve to release pressurized water, allowing the handle to open effortlessly. After removing excess moisture from the capsules, there will be no leakage, ensuring that the entire process remains clean and orderly. By long pressing the extraction button, you can access the precise temperature adjustment feature for coffee, enabling you to brew coffee that matches your personal taste. Additionally, you can also adjust the volume of the coffee. Independent cold brew technology enables the extraction process to happen without the need to wait for cooling, and it utilizes dedicated cold pipes for transportation. Coffee can be scheduled for brewing at any time throughout the day, prepared in specified quantities, so you can enjoy an extra 10 minutes of sleep in the morning. Hand-drawn sketches serve as a crucial bridge in bringing design concepts to fruition, ultimately presenting the final form in perfect clarity.